Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you briefly how to earn by watching video online. Now, if that is what sounds interesting for you, stick around in this very video because we are going to be learning how exactly you're going to make money by watching video online. So make sure you use the link in the description of this video to get started. Now, for you to get started, all you have to do is to go to your web browser and use the link in the description of this video to click, and you'll be directed to this particular platform. And this platform is called PayUp, okay? And it enables you to make money by simply watching video online. Now, it is a universal platform which you can, of course, participate anywhere you are in the world. For you to get started, you need an account. Okay, so and for we to have an account, first of all, let's look at some of the things that is on the platform. Now, it is safe and is without investment. It has the ability to make you additional income in USD. Can take advantage of the new source of income, which is what I'm going to show you right now. It doesn't require much time, and I'm going to prove to you right now. Okay, user-friendly, has a user-friendly interface. So these are the most of the best quality aspect of this platform. Now, long-time users of the platform earn more. Okay, with new levels, the income increased by 0.1%, and after reaching the maximum 1,000 level, you earn 2%. Okay, a new level is given for watching videos, referring new users to the system, daily activities. You can easily see it, and of course, this is completely a mind-blowing application. And I want you to use the link in the description of the video to sign up. So you can see the days that this platform has started working, about 139 days, and it is still working. You can see how many registered users and then how many paid out, right? Almost like $57,979. That is a mind blowing, and this is worldwide, guys. It is worldwide. It is completely worldwide. So let's get started right away. So I'm going to just hit on sign up. Use the link in the description of this video to sign up, as I said. And then once you click on sign up, you'll be directed to the place where you have to fill up your details. So I'm going to quickly fill my details. I'm going to do this live so we can easily follow everything live. Okay, so I'm going to just put my details, and then I'm signing up live, but then use the link in the description of this video to sign up. It will help us to do something content similar to this. So if you enjoy the value of what we are doing, please do well to subscribe to the channel and like and share this video. So I'm just going to hit on sign up. Once you have filled your details, enter the robot, you just click on sign up. You'll be directed to your dashboard instantly. You can see it right away, guys. So it is as simple as anything. So from this place, you can able to see here, it's very self-explanatory in terms of what the environment looks like. This is the balance, and then this is payout history. You can easily click on withdraw to withdraw. Then end today, you can see everything is written 000 because we have not yet done anything in this account. So quickly, how do we get started to earn? And then there is also a chart that will enable you to see everything that is happening. So I think this platform seems to be very realistic. Now let's look at the withdrawal before we actually go through the tax, because you have to perform tax to be able to earn in this platform. So you can see here right away that the payout daily limit is what, 20 USD. Okay, so you can see that to withdraw funds from your pay up videos, you need to confirm your email. So quickly, I'm going to go to my email to confirm my registration. So I'm just going to refresh my email and see if there is an email that came from this platform. So I think the email has not yet come. So let me just check my spam folder to see if the email comes. Okay, the email is yet to come, but then let me click on this to confirm my settings. So it's very, very important for you to confirm your details before you proceed to okay, so I'm just going to click on confirm. Okay, so you see that the email verification email a confirmation link has been sent to this. So I'm just going to go to my inbox to see if I see, you can see right away, this is the email that have came. So I'll just click on this confirm email so that I will be sure that my email is confirmed. Please follow this guide. If you have registered with my link, make sure you make use of my link to register. That way you can see email confirmed so that you'll be able to make a withdrawal in this platform. So if I reload this, I believe this message that is here is going to disappear, and you can see right away that the message has disappeared. Then here you can see I can easily withdraw minimum of one USD on Tron, while you have the payer and advert cash and then Doge coin. Okay, minimum withdrawal amount is 1 USD. Check the minimum amount credited to the receiving wallet. So you can see right away that you can quickly withdraw your fund with any of these guys. Wallet not specified. Please specify the payout wallet for the settings. So I'm going to be doing so many reviews on this video. Subscribe to the channel because we are going to take this platform as like, okay, we're going to be making some reviews on this platform. So subscribe, like, and share this video on the channel. So having said that, let's go to the earning properly. Remember, this is my dashboard. Nothing is here on this dashboard. You can see everything is zero. So let's see whether we can actually earn to make sure that our balance does not reach zero again. So how do we get started? It's very simple. Click on start earning. Can you see start earning there? You can see it right here. So I'm just going to click on that. I'm just going to click on that. Once you click on this start earning, you will see that you'll be presented with tax. Okay, so a lot of tax will be given to you. You can see here that if you look, you will see that the amount you're going to earn for each tax you are viewing. You can see this is a video tax, right? So you can see just 10 seconds and you're going to earn this amount of money. Okay, and you can see I have 900 available tax to be earned today. Okay, now you can see I have 200 available right now. So you can watch up to 200 video per hours and earn up to 900. Okay, and up to 900 per day. New videos appear every hours. The limit is reset at this. So this is actually a mind-blowing platform. So take action right away. So you can see the timer and everything. So I'm just going to click on view. Let's see how everything goes. Just click on view. So I'm going to take you everything we need to experiment, right? So it is very important to experiment everything. So I'm waiting for this timer. You can see the timer here. So quickly, for you to get started, you need to play the video, right? You need to play the video. And then once the video is played, you have to wait for this timer, okay? You can see the timer here is actually taking its time to count. So I'm going to just quickly leave it, right? So just going to leave it. Okay, so I think there's a little network issue. It's supposed to have finished the timing. Okay, so I think I needed to skip this. And okay, the task not completed. So let me just reload this because invariably I wasn't, the time was supposed to be counting, but it's not counting. So let me check another video. It's very, very important. The time is supposed to be, because I'm not here to waste all the time, right? You can see the timer here is counting, right? So let's see, guys, right? You can see that, oh, you can see at the top extreme that I've been able to earn. I've been able to earn automatically. You will see that I've been able to earn this amount of money, and it will take me back to YouTube. But even if it take me back to YouTube, that is not our aim, right? Our aim here is that we have been able to make the task completed. You can see it now. So, and if I go back to my dashboard, I'll be able to be saying that I have been able to earn 0.00021 cents, right? You can see it right away. Just one tax, guys. Just one tax. And then for us to a kind of complete other tasks just to show you that this is actually working. I'm going to complete another one more task or even two more tasks. So you can be doing this even within an hour. You can be able to finish up the 200 tasks that is given to you, because it's 10 seconds, guys. It's 10 seconds, right? It's 10 seconds. You'll be making these crazy amounts of money. So please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. Like and share this video. You can see the task has just been completed, and then you can see that I've been able to earn. So once this is done, you just close this, you just close this, just close this, right? So you can view more tasks just to prove for doubting Thomas. So this platform is very, very legit. Use the link in the description of this video to join right away. Okay, and thank me later. So you can see it now. Everything is done in your presence. So it's not like this thing is it going to work? Everything is working, as you can see right away. Everything is working, and once you see that you have earned, you just quickly close the tab and then reload your page. You can be doing this over and over again to multiply your income. So if you like this video, like and share this video, and then if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by to check on updates. We're going to be making updates even when we're going to cash out in this platform. So you don't want to miss that. That's why you need to subscribe and like and share this video, because once we make the cash out, we are going to be showing you exactly how this thing was able to pay us, and every other thing. If it didn't pay us at the end of the cash out, this will be updated on the channel. So subscribe, like, and share this video. And then I'm going to see, I want to complete it so that you can see that you can be able to earn, as in like, okay, you'll be able to be multiplying money on demand. This is crazy, guys. This is absolutely crazy, guys. This is absolutely crazy, guys. So you can see everything is happening just as it is. This is global. You can use what's called Tron to make a withdrawal if you're not in a country where Tron is not supported. So where that currencies that mean that is on the system is not supported, you can use Tron, which is cryptocurrencies, to make your withdrawal. This is crazy, guys. This is absolutely crazy, guys. So you can see my dashboard is climbing up right away. So I'll be doing these tasks to be able to make a lot of money. You can see here right away that I have been able to view 6 videos and then 6 total today, and you can see just the earnings I've been able to accumulate just right now. Just right now, guys. So what are you waiting for? Use the link in the description of this video to join to start earning. So if you click on referrals, you can see that there's a referral system here. You can see the earnings, so you can see the your referral link. So by the way, use the link to join my referral team. That way I can be able to make more videos on this category. And having said that, let's see you in the next video.